Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
Hello and welcome. Before we start, I just wanted to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis or any related items on these, my charts. This was all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, ICE Brent crude oil futures. A higher but still indecisive spinning top yesterday after Friday's counter-to-counter bullish piercing line pattern and outside day. The market seems to have become entangled amongst the July 2021 low at 67.43 and the mauve medium moving average 67.59, and I suppose also the short moving average. I don't tend to like to use that much. That's currently at 67.43. The recent base of the action was on the well highlighted December 21 low at 65.66, with further support from the broken yet still refusing to die dark blue upper time currently at 66.08. The showrunner for this market since last summer, the many times broken and many times repaired dark blue April to July 2024 bearish shift pitch hook. Meanwhile, the top side was initially capped by this combination of the July 21 low at 67.43 and the mauve medium moving average, but more effective resistance is above at the green short medium moving average, currently 68.17. This green short medium moving average is now a precursor to the previously well highlighted large congestion area overhead starting at 68.33 and stretching up to 70.13. This is one of a number of congestion areas that stretch up to at least 73.73. Looking below, we have the combined May and August 2021 lows at 64.58, which is just ahead of the bright red neckline extension, currently 64.45 of the March to May 20 reverse head and shoulders bottom. Now, so far today, after some hesitation, we have a small attempt lower, below the July low and towards yesterday's low, but not reaching it as yet. Spot gold. A key reversal up yesterday with a new all-time high and high close, as well as being a second bullish white soldier after Friday's second indecisive spinning top, but one that could be seen as a reactionary bullish engulfing pattern after the previous session's indecisive top, which also could be seen as a bearish dark cloud. It's a bit indecisive, and you can see from that. This indecision was hardly surprised, as we've had the market last week reach up and achieve both the primary and the harder to reach secondary targets. These targets are for the break higher from the previously highlighted bright green rectangle pattern, which is 32.47 to 34.51, which I mentioned 5 weeks ago and ever since. The question is now, what's next? And the recent indecision has been a symptom of that question. I do know that overhead, not too far overhead, we have the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 36.91, while support below, somewhat tenuous support below, is down at the April high at 3,500. Additionally, if we look at the action from last week as a possible halfway hesitation, interesting point to look at, then we have an initial opportunity up to the 3,800 area and a somewhat harder to reach potential up to the 4,000 area. Now, so far today, a new all-time high. This time prices are tackling the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 36.91. And though they're over it just a little bit at the moment, they're seemingly getting a bit stuck there.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.